Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I talk about freelancing, productivity and earning money online. So hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it if you do not want to miss any of my videos that I upload. Today's video is about how you can transition from a full-time job to full-time freelancing. So if you are someone who wants to quit your 9 to 5 job and do freelancing full-time, so keep watching this video. So the first step is you do not have to quit your job. Now don't get me wrong, because there are many people who has a lot of responsibilities, and you cannot just directly go on and quit your job and start freelancing, because when you are starting freelancing it will take a couple of months to have a stable income. So I do not recommend anyone to quit their jobs directly. First 2-3 months try to get clients along with doing your job. So when you are starting out, try to find clients on LinkedIn or Facebook groups or any other platform. There are many platforms to find clients on. So when you take up your first freelancing gig or first 2-3 freelancing gigs, you will come to know what you're really good at. And I do not tell people that just find one skill and then go all in. Try 2-3 skills and know what you are good at. This will help you realize that okay, like I am good at graphic design, so I can take up more of the graphic design jobs then, rather than taking other jobs which you are not good at. Next is, once you know your skills and your expertise, find clients. Now finding long-term clients is a bit difficult, but having a system in process is very important when you are doing freelancing. So once you have a good amount of long-term clients, you can think of quitting your job. But before that, I would recommend you saving of 4 to 6 months. Save money for about 4 to 6 months, because you don't know, freelancing is very uncertain kind of a career. So there can, like, few months can be really rewarding, while few months can have really less income. So for that purpose you need to have 4 to 6 months of savings in your bank. Now I wouldn't say that freelancing is live your own life on your own terms kind of a thing, but you will have more work than you have in your job. So like in on the initial days I was working for like 12 to 16 hours, which is a lot. So be prepared mentally and physically as well for that. So do not take your health for granted in that process, and try to maintain a routine for your freelancing gigs, and try to plan out everything. Coming to my personal experience, I started my job back in 2019, and I quit my job after 1.4 months. But after quitting my job, I still did a lot of freelancing while I was doing my job. So like that gave me a lot of experience of multitasking as well. So being consistent, having multitasking skills, those skills are very important as a freelancer. So if you do not have those skills, it's okay, it will build up eventually. Be mentally prepared that you will have to put in some extra hours of work while you are doing your job. I hope this video was super helpful, and if you like this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon,